I did not know anything about using the retirement accounts to invest in alternative assets until I worked with our. Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you know that you can invest your retirement account in cash flow real estate and grow it tax-free? I use something called a self-directed IRA account. Back in 2009, I invested our self-directed IRA in cash flow real estate properties, starting from a small six-figure account into a seven-figure account tax-free. I will show you how I set it up and how this account is generating six figures cash flow tax-free income. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and turn on notification bell. My name is Korianne. I am a real estate investor since 2001. I make videos to share my real estate investment journey that got me to be financial independent after 8 years of investing in cash flow properties. Hope to inspire you to invest in cash flow real estate so you too can achieve your financial independence, build a legacy, and make an impact on people around you. Before I share with you further, I need to make a disclaimer that I am not a licensed financial advisor or a real estate attorney or a CPA. This video is for learning purposes only, and I recommend you to seek out the necessary professional assistance before you do anything with your IRA or retirement account. I learned about the self-directed IRA account back in 2006 when I started to work with a real estate attorney for our asset protection formation and along with our real estate CPA for our tax planning. My CPA shared with me that we can invest in cash flow real estate projects using our IRA account by converting it into a self-directed IRA account. It's important to note that investing in cash flow properties with a self-directed IRA can be complex and involve significant risk. It's important to work with a knowledgeable professional to ensure that you understand the risks and the benefits of this type of investment. A self-directed IRA is a type of IRA that gives you more control and flexibility over your investment choices. Unlike a traditional IRA, which typically only allows you to invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other common assets, a self-directed IRA allows you to invest in alternative assets such as real estate, precious metals, private equity, and so forth. Here are a few key steps to set up a self-directed IRA. Step 1. Open a self-directed IRA. The first step is to open a self-directed IRA with a custodian. You may wish to find and talk to a few self-directed IRA custodians before selecting one. They can be referred by family or friends or by your real estate CPA. Work with one that aligns with your investment values. Step 2. Fund your self-directed IRA. Next, you will need to fund your self-directed IRA. This can be done by rolling over the funds from an existing IRA or 401k account. I want to underscore the words roll over just to make sure you do it correctly. Step 3. Identify potential cash flow properties. Once your self-directed IRA is funded, you can begin looking for cash flow properties to invest in. This can involve researching different real estate markets, working with a real estate agent, or attending a local real estate investment club meetings. Step 4. Conduct due diligence. Before investing in any cash flow property, whether using your IRA fund or after-tax money, it's important to conduct due diligence to ensure that the property is good investment. This can involve reviewing financial statements, inspecting the property, and researching the local market. Step 5. Purchase the properties. Once you have identified a cash flow property that meets your investment criteria, you can purchase the property using your self-directed IRA funds. Your custodian will handle the transactions and ensure that all the IRS rules and regulations are followed. Step 6. Manage the property. As the owner of the cash flow properties, you will be responsible for managing the property, collecting the rent, and ensure that the property remain in the good conditions. Any income generated by the property will be deposited directly into your self-directed IRA account. Step 7. Reinvest or distribute the cash flow. You can choose to reinvest the cash flow generated by your cash flow property into additional real estate investment or other alternatives investment within your self-directed IRA. Alternately, you can choose to distribute the cash flow as income to yourself when you want to withdraw after you reach your retirement age to avoid an early withdrawal penalty. How I have been growing our self-directed into 7 figures account from a small 6-figure account since 2009. Remember one video that I shared with you that I lost almost $500,000 in the Las Vegas market. I was very disappointed, not only losing money, but time and opportunities. It was one of my investment career setbacks. However, we still had another 3 dozen of cash flow properties in our portfolio, but we were short with cash because I used up our cash reserve to pay off the loan for our Las Vegas projects. In 2009, I saw a lot of distressed properties, so I decided to use our IRA account to buy foreclosure, short sales, and bank-owned properties. I used this small 6-figure account to flip many properties in the first 3 years to increase our capital. For every 5 flips projects, I kept 1 cash flow property for long-term hold. And by 2013, I invested in 7 projects fully funded with cash. And this project, I generated 6 figures of cash flow income annually tax-free. With the cash flow income yearly, I reinvested this money into other real estate assets like invested in apartments, mobile home parks, private high-tech equity funds, land, and also a private money lender to fund short-term mortgage loan for some seasoned smart real estate investors. The best part is all the growth income in this account is tax-free until we distribute income to ourselves. Then we will incur income tax for our draw. I did not know anything about using the retirement accounts to invest in alternative assets until I worked with our real estate professional like our CPA and the real estate attorney. I highly recommend that you seek out to work with these professionals who can advise and guide you with the rules and regulations to abide with the IRS tax law and codes. Do it right so that you are legally protected by income growth tax-free. We are entering an economic environment where anybody with a strong cash position will find great projects with attractive rental yields. Another important thing to remember is to invest only in assets that you understand well, not just potential risks, but also the reward that you will receive. I hope you learned something great here to continue building wealth in cash flow real estate. So share with me in the comment below. Have you used your retirement account to invest in alternative assets like real estate, private equity funds, or a private money lender? Thank you so much for watching. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao.
This is the best quality of pizza I ever tasted.
Where are we now?
Vienna.
Vienna?
Venice, blah, blah, blah. Venice.
Cresce ragazzo,
Confonde le parole.
Bravo. No?